Okay, and then we'll have to do the one over here, right here. So let's pop a little bit of chocolate right on there. So it can already start to set up while we do this part. And roll this out. Okay. And I think I want to just, actually, because this is so much orange, I just don't like it really by itself. I'm going to kind of wrap it in and then put the plug. Actually, we don't even need to put a plug on this one. We'll just kind of tuck it behind here, like the plug's behind it. Okay, it just kind of breaks up that big orange spot, makes it look a little better. Okay, and then the last thing, or the second to last, we've still got these to put on, but we need to write Dad somewhere on here. So I thought what we could do is go ahead and take some yellow and do a little bit of a tape measure, kind of running down, and then write Dad on it. So we need to roll out some of the yellow. So starting with the cord again, a little cornstarch down, use the roller. Now you can use a ruler if you want, or you can just eyeball it. I'm just going to take it and cut. Sometimes I just eyeball it when it's, you know, you're not going to be able to tell if it's completely even all the way over because we're going to wrap it around. So if I had it perfectly even with a ruler, all the same width all the way down, by the time you wrap it around, it's going to stretch a little bit anyway. It looks a little thicker here, so I'll just take a little bit more off right there. And I think I'll start with it kind of rolled up a little bit. It's kind of coming unraveled. And we'll pop it right up here. There, actually right here. Wrap it around one more time. And we'll use a little bit more chocolate wherever we want it to stick. So I want it to stick there a little bit. And then I want it to stick down here. Notice I'm giving it a little bit of movement. It's not just straight. And then we're going to stick it down here too. You can even kind of twist it at the end. Okay, so I just need some black buttercream with a tip number 1 and we can finish this off.